Hello my loves, welcome back to today's video. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here a while, welcome back. So the year is almost coming to an end and I had all these goals: get to 100k on YouTube, get all these brand deals, do all these things, and I cannot believe the year is coming to an end. It's actually the last week of November and it's got me thinking about all my goals. I have this digital habit tracker that I shared with you at the beginning of the year that was going to help me track all my habits. I've been tracking all my habits every quarter, and what I was doing was following the 12-week year. So every month I've been tracking my habits. Normally I track my habits with a 90-day be your own bay journal on a day-to-day basis, but so many times I forget. But one thing I've been consistent with is a digital tracker. So last night I was going through them and I noticed a bunch of stuff, especially for my big goals. I normally sit down and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm putting in all the work, nothing's happening. But honestly, I go in and look and I'm like, damn, I'm not putting in as much work as I think I'm doing. For this quarter I have exactly 10 days left, including today. I'm challenging myself to be as consistent as I can for the rest of the year. I want to be that example that helps you put in the work type shit. So my main thing is I was looking at UGC applications. The one thing that I'm supposed to do in order for me to attract brands to me, because I'm a smaller creator, brands are not reaching out to me as much as I would like, so I have to reach out to them. Granted, I've been reaching out to so many brands, I cannot even start to tell you how many brands I've been reaching out to. I have an Excel sheet for all the brands I've reached out to. Again, I'll share that with you in another video at the end of this whole 12-week or at the end of the year. But bro, I've been reaching out to brands and it's been, let's just say it hasn't been the best. And sometimes they say you do something over and over again and you don't get results. It's called insanity. We're going to look into that at the end of the year. But also Instagram posts, TikTok posts. I was going through my Instagram and there are times I go through like my feed and I'm like, damn, my feed makes sense. I went through it last night and I'm like, girl, you need to do better. Not that my content is bad, it's actually pretty good. It's just not cohesive that when a person comes to my page, they want to stay. Also, my intention was to create a bunch of series that get people hooked, and all my last videos are standing on their own. So last night, I took the initiative to make, I just love Notion because I took the initiative to organize myself in terms of content. That's a place that I struggle. Oh my gosh, look at this, bro. I did everything day to day as from today. I did this yesterday, but I gave myself a to-do list of things that I need to get done. If I need to record, it has record, upload. So I know the videos I'm uploading today. I know the videos I have to edit today. This is part of the videos I have to record today. And I did it. One of the things that I struggle with is saying I'm going to do stuff and I don't organize it and it's all over my head and then I'm not putting in the work. So I did that, organize it. If it's for TikTok, it's for Instagram, if it's admin work, I put it in my calendar. The one thing I like about how my Notion is set up, I have this get shit done section. Basically, it gives you what you have to do that day. It's normally for the week, but it counts the week from Sunday to Saturday. And because it's Saturday, this is what I have left to do. When I'm done with all this, all I have to do is click done and then the list just reduces. So for content, I told myself I'm going to sit down every Friday or Saturday and plan my content and be intentional so that it has a story. How I came up with that, I have to tell that to you because of course this is a content you're going to be seeing for the rest of the year. By the way, ignore my hair. You know what happened? My shower is only bringing cold water and today was hair wash day. I'm like, ain't no way I'm showering. Sorry, my brain goes all over the place. Ain't no way I'm doing hair wash day with cold water. Hell no. So I decided to just twist it. Just ignore that. Anyway, so I was like, the things I want to create content about, I want to do some fashion content. For some reason, when I reach out to fashion brands, I'm pretty sure they can't see themselves in my content. And the only way to do that is by sharing some fashion content. Also, I keep telling myself I'm going to buy new clothes when I get to the size that I want, but I'm just gaining more weight. So I'm just like, you know what, Sheila, you have to start somewhere. So I'm going to make that a series because if it's in my head, I'm sure there is someone out there who feels the same exact way I do. I want to do makeup as, I don't know if you saw one of my last videos on Instagram and TikTok. It's quite long for a short, so I didn't post it on shorts, but I tried to do my makeup, bro. I swear, it was my first time trying to give myself a beat. I don't have brushes, I don't have nothing. So I'm going to make that a series venturing into makeup. I'm on a weight loss journey, so I'm going to share a lot of fitness, nutrition content, and then wellness. Those are things that I'm passionate about. Also, I procrastinate so much, and that's how I started my whole business. I haven't been doing so much. If you check on my habit trackers, when it comes to marketing my journal, one thing I complain about is that, oh my gosh, no one is buying my journal, Bro, I went through my content and I do not market this journal, and that habit trackers do not lie because guess what? Out of 100, I've only put in 4% of the work when it comes to marketing my journal. So I can't complain about that. And I ask myself, how am I going to market my journal more? So on stories, I'm going to ask everyday people, did you move today? What are you grateful for? And these questions align with the journal. Did you work today? Ticking off my habit trackers. Basically encouraging people to buy and promoting my journal on the daily. I don't care who sees it, who doesn't, even if they see it every day. I'm inspiring people, but I'm also trying to make sales. I had a long pep talk with myself, and when it comes to eating protein, oh my gosh, even my protein intake struggles. So for protein intake, what am I doing this month? 33.3% is not so bad, but I decided, like, instead of 100 grams of protein, every time I eat protein intentionally for 2 meals at least, I take it off, which means I have not been doing well. One of the reasons I've gained so much weight is because I keep telling myself every day is the last day, is the last day, is the last day. I'm like, when is this going to stop, bro? I don't know when it's going to stop. I had to put it to a halt. So what I did was come up with a meal plan, and I put it in my content calendar. So I won't have content if I don't do this meal plan and if I do not meal prep. So I'm sharing my meal plan, meal prepping with you, what I eat in a day in short form content. It will be here on Shorts, Instagram, TikTok. Then you guys are going to get everything, the behind the scenes, the summary and everything. I hope it's something you guys would like to see. I'm explaining myself so that you know what you're going to expect moving forward. Yeah, so tomorrow is meal prep. The one thing about meal prepping also, where I need it very much, is that sometimes it's time to eat and then I'm not in the mood to cook. I just eat whatever I'm seeing. A lot of times I go eat out. A lot of times I just also not work, like create content, because I've spent so much time cooking. So I'm like, you know what, we're going to have designated cooking days, which means every other day or every 2 days. So meal prep is tomorrow, and I will see you tomorrow when we're meal prepping, because I feel like I'm yapping too much right now. Okay, happy Sunday. So I'm about to do my meal prep. I did meal plan last night, which I have not done in the longest time. I hope I stick to this meal plan. It's not very strict. The way I'm doing my thing is that I'm going to put it somewhere on the screen so you guys can follow along. I'm going to prep my breakfast. So this week for breakfast, I have 3 breakfast options. I have chia seed pudding, egg salad, yogurt bowl with fruit, and the third option is a smoothie bowl with granola. And then this I'm going to mix and match, but right now I'm going to do at least 2 chia seed pudding cups already done, because my issue is when I don't have something ready to go, I don't do it. Instead of me prepping each and every meal, I hate eating the same meal every day. This is something I hate about meal prepping. So what I personally do is batch cook, and today we're going to batch cook some grilled chicken wings. We are doing wings because that's what I have. I know a lot of people are concerned about, oh my gosh, the wings have so much fat, all them things. Bro, that's a list of my problems right now. I'm only eating 2 meals a day. The goal is to eat 2 good meals, 1 dessert and a snack. So that's 4 meals a day. When you take 4 meals a day times 7 is 28 meals. I want to eat 70% healthy, and 70% of 28 meals is 19.6, but leave the 0.6, it doesn't matter. We're going to go with 19. Out of these 19, 7 breakfasts are already down, because I already know what I'm going to be doing for breakfast, which leaves 21 meals. And if I do all the other meals the way I want to do them, we've reached halfway, we've reached 50% anyway. That's why I'm kind of doing the math. We'll see as it goes on. I'm going to be recording behind the scenes for you guys, so you're going to get the exclusive. And of course, if you don't want to wait for a YouTube video, you can check out my Instagram stories or my TikTok, because I'll be posting daily, more often than I do here on YouTube. I mean, if you missed it on stories, you can get the full story on YouTube. Protein, I have grilled chicken, wings, ground beef, chickpeas. I'm not going to make all of this today because I also like fresh food, so I'm just going to do the chickpea curry today and also bake my wings. For some reason, I'm those people that always love meat, so it's going to be so hard for me for some days to not eat meat. And then I'm going to meal prep some sauces. Sauces are olive oil and balsamic, peanut dressing, and a honey Dijon dressing. For snacks, since I'm already making chickpeas, we're going to go with roasted chickpeas, clementines, and cucumber salad. For dessert, I've been really loving yogurt bowls, so we're going to do yogurt and granola bowls. I don't need to make the granola, I already made it last week if you saw my shorts. Second option is dates, and third option is almond cookies. I do not know if I'll get to make all these things, but I know that I'm going to get down in that granola. It go down in the it go down. Hey, time to meal prep because my friend is coming and we have a collaboration. So I do this thing with my friend where she's a comedian and she comes every Sunday. We record content together and she puts it on her platform, but then I also put it on mine here and there. But I've realized that content is not doing well. However, I'm a supportive friend. We're going to record content for her. We'll share it anyway. If you happen to see me speaking French somewhere, just know that's the content, okay? So time to meal prep. She's coming in 1 hour. I hope that I will be able to do what I need to do in time. Okay, for now, this is what I've done. I boiled some chickpeas. I have some quinoa here and I have rice here. When I tell you that this is a rice eating household, it's a rice eating household. Because I'm trying to lose weight doesn't mean I need to restrict myself. We are not restricting here. We are trying to be sustainable and eating mindfully, very demurely. This back needs to be unbig, so batch cook with me for the week. Boiled some chickpeas and we're going to roast some of them. Alright, pre-marinated chicken, salt, pepper, paprika, turmeric, garlic. Going in with the chickpeas. Kendall Jenner was onto something. Looking very thirsty, but we're going to fix them. Back in the oven. Chia seeds, strawberries and blackberries, this part is purely for aesthetic purposes only. These containers are from Amazon. They are linked on my storefront. Are they equal? These are ready. Chickpeas are ready, chicken is ready. Sauce, we're doing honey mustard. I don't measure anything, so we're going to go in with olive oil, salt, garlic, pepper. I have some balsamic honey Dijon, that much, maybe a little bit more, apple cider vinegar. Put the lid back on, shake. That's done. Now olive oil, balsamic. Process is the same, olive oil. I'm making a little bit more of this because this is a personal favorite. Garlic, salt, pepper, balsamic vinegar. Now we shake. Sauces done. Ladies and gentlemen, the meal prep is done. We've got quinoa rice, chia seed pudding. I cut up some cucumber and red bell peppers ready to eat with onions if I want to make a cucumber salad. We've got our dressing, balsamic dressing, honey Dijon dressing. For snacks, I baked some chickpeas, and I also cut up a kiwi just ready to put on top of my chia seed pudding. And that's it. I'm going to be prepping every 2 to 3 days, so this is just for the next couple of days. And if it stays for longer, perfect. If it doesn't, then we'll add some more. Like I told you, I'm going to be sharing this on Instagram stories, like every day what I'm eating on a daily basis, because I hate eating the same food every day, but batch cooking makes it a lot easier for me. And also because I want to be recording and be present every day. Oh, my friend is here. I have food to eat. I'm not going to be complaining that, oh my gosh, I'm so busy to cook. I have food. It's open. Hello. Hi. It's okay. Come in. I told my vlog that you're coming in. We're going to record. My friend's here. Okay, you guys. Bye. Bye. Hi and bye. Come to my acting session. Gosh.
Whoa, Sheila, calme-toi le pompon là.
Are you trying to cheer me up, pom-pom? I don't have pom-poms here. What do you mean?
Okay, on va le faire encore. Maybe you act too much because you're like.
So today is officially that day that I've made a meal plan. I've prepped everything, workout plan, meal plan, and all them things. And I just wanted to come in here, show you my true before. I'm about to take my vitamins and my little shots. I'm recording a day in the life vlog for TikTok and Instagram and shorts. So if I'm done editing that, may actually you won't see that because that's going to be uploaded on Wednesday and this is going out today. Bro, do you see my consistency? Anyway, let's do this because I know I'm running out of space. Cheers. So let's do what I look like right now. I'm going to also actually, let me get my scale. I want to weigh myself and I also want to show you what I look like right now. Normally I would be wearing like panty and bra, all them things, but I'm feeling so insecure. And because I am, you're looking at me the way I'm right now in my workout clothes, okay? One thing I like about my weighing scale is that it shows on my phone. I'm sure most weighing scales these days are like that, like they sync with your phone. And the phone app will keep track for you. Let's do that. This is, I'm sucking in. This is what I currently look like. My arms, my side, if I'm not sucking in. I don't know if you can see me properly. That's my back. Oh, my pants have pimples. It's okay. And this side, I keep sucking in my stomach, and this is what I look like to the front. I know these are not the best pants because they kind of suck me in, but still, bro, these pants, I was at the gym and they kept on moving. These pants are quite tight. Even when I'm smaller, they are tight. Time to step on the scale. Not battery low. Oh my gosh, I just got the biggest scale on the scale. It's like every week I become bigger and bigger. So that's where we're starting. It's actually very scary where we are starting because I believe last week I was at like 81 point something, bro. I'm back that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I need to close this video because I need to upload it today and I needed to share this with you today. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, found it helpful. If you did, of course, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friend who you think is going to find it valuable. And don't forget to follow along on the journey. And as always, don't forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.